morning. For Traders Exclusive, this is George Kachuk with RCM Wealth Advisors, reporting to you from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago. Here we are, it's Monday morning, May 15th, and the equity markets continue to plow higher. So actually, at least the NASDAQ continues to lead the market higher. The S&P 500 has been digesting gains, moving sideways. However, this morning we're out at a new high. The S&P is trading over 2,400. And we'll see by the end of the day or the end of the week if this can hold. Now, the NASDAQ is being led by technology stocks, and one group that I want to talk about in particular are the Chinese stocks. Chinese stocks are on fire. And there's a reason for that. Their earnings growth, if you take a look, it's either high double digits or high triple digit earnings growth. And that's why the market's rewarding these stocks as they're moving higher. So if we look at a stock at JD.com, symbols JD, broke out of a base at about $32 a few weeks ago. About 2 weeks ago reported earnings. Their blowout earnings gapped up higher, and now it's trading its extended. Now, these are not buy recommendations. These are just stocks you should have on your radar. Consult your financial advisor, and if you see pullbacks or some other chart pattern forming, this might be something you might want to consider. On the same note, we have Alibaba trading at an all-time high, surpassing the high of 120, which was set back in November of 2014. So it's trading above 120. It does report on Thursday, so you need to be a little bit careful here. However, it's been trading up 10 of 11 weeks in a row. That's a sign of institutional accumulation. Same with JD.com. You look at a chart of that, it's been trading up 6 weeks in a row. So other stocks in this group are Weibo, symbol WB. That reports tomorrow morning, so you need to be a little bit careful here. It depends what your cost basis are, where you're at, and just see how it reacts to earnings tomorrow morning. But I've also shown about 5 weeks of institutional accumulation. Stocks at the pivot are stocks like Auto Home, ATHM. That's right in that $37 pivot point. That's something you may want to consider. Or there's Momo, which just got above a 3 weeks tight pattern at 39.25. That symbol is MOMO. And again, these aren't buy recommendations, just some you might want to keep in the back of your hat. Now, also this week, our other stocks that are approaching pivots is SINA, symbol SINA. I believe that reports Wednesday or Thursday, so you might want to take a look at that, see if that can break into new highs. Similar with YY, and that symbol is simply YY. Other Chinese stocks that continue to do well are China Holdings, HTHT, that's hitting new highs. And then you have stocks like Baidu, BIDU, or NetEase, NTES, that are still in consolidations. Now, also, Chinese stocks, there's 3 educational stocks that are continuing to hit new highs. You might want to take a look at that. One of them is TAL Education, symbol is TAL, or New Oriental Education, symbol EDU, or Tarina, symbol is TEDU. Also, these are extended in price, so isn't something you want to chase, but again, keep on your radar. And again, the common theme that all these stocks have is A, they're Chinese, and B, they're double-digit earnings growth or triple-digit earnings growth, so that's something you can't ignore. Now, since we're talking about hot stocks this morning, naturally a few that are continue to do very well are extended. It's worth mentioning is NVIDIA, NVDA, or Trade Desk, TTD. Big gap up last Friday, traded 12 million shares. There's only 2 million shares in the float, so that's its highest volume ever. So again, that's a sign of institutional buying. You see some pullbacks in that, where you might want to look for an entry point somewhere there. Also, with the cybersecurity hacking going around the world, rather you want to take a look at the cybersecurity stocks, and leaders in that space seem to be stocks like Fortinet, FTNT, or Proofpoint, PFPT. So again, none of these are buy recommendations. These are just some to have on your watch list. Consult your financial advisor to see if any of these trades are you. You need to be careful. A lot of these stocks are extended, and the nature of these stocks are too, they're quite volatile. So as fast as they move up, they can move as fast on the way down. So as always, let price and volume be your guide. This is George Kachuk with RCM Wealth Advisors, reporting to you from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago. Have a great trading week.